Hi guys, I'm Suprabha. In this video, we'll study the properties of determinants. The first property, determinant value of any identity matrix is equal to 1. That is, where IN is any identity matrix. Second property, determinant value remains same when all the rows and columns are interchanged. That is, determinant of A transpose is equal to determinant of that same matrix. Third, determinant value is change in sign when any two rows or columns are interchanged. So, let us consider the 3-order determinant. The column 1 and 2 are interchanged. Column 3 as it is. It is change in sign, that is plus sign will be changed to minus and vice versa. Next property, determinant value of inverse is 1 divided by the value of that determinant. That is, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 divided by value of that same determinant. Next, determinant value is equal to 0 if any two rows and columns are same. That is, if R1 is equal to R2 or C1 is equal to C2 and so on, the value of determinant will be equal to 0. Next, determinant value is equal to 0 if any row or column is equal to 0. That is, all the elements in that row or that column are 0. If R1 is equal to 0, R2 is equal to 0 and so on, value of determinant will be equal to 0. Next, determinant value is product of diagonal entries for the triangular matrix. This matrix is lower triangular matrix. So, value of determinant will be equal to product of diagonal entries 2 into 3 into 4 gives 24. If the determinant is strictly upper triangular matrix, that is, along with these three entries, the diagonal elements are also 0, then the determinant value will be equal to 0. Next, determinant value is multiplied by constant if any one row or column is multiplied by that constant. This might seem confusing, we'll understand it. That constant or scalar quantity is multiplied to only first column. This results into that scalar quantity is only taken outside and the matrix remains same. The next property is dependent upon this, that is, for any nth order matrix we get determinant of k into A, that is scalar quantity into any matrix, is equal to k raised to n and determinant of that matrix. That is, suppose this is the 3-order determinant, k raised to 3 into A determinant. So, if you compare both the properties, here the scalar quantity is multiplied to only first column, here the scalar is multiplied to all the elements. So, 3-order determinant we get kq. Next property, for square matrices A and B of equal size, we get A into B determinant is value of A determinant and value of B determinant. Next, if A and B are non-zero square matrices and their product is equal to null matrix, that is AB is equal to 0, then A determinant will be 0 and B determinant will be 0. But these matrices will not be null matrix, they will be non-zero matrices. The next 4 are very important properties. The determinant value of involutory matrix is either plus or minus 1. Orthogonal is plus or minus 1. Idempotent is 0 or 1 and determinant value of nilpotent matrix is 0. Let us understand how we get these values. For the first one, involutory, we know involutory matrix is defined as A square is equal to I. That is, determinant of A square is equal to determinant of I. From this property we know that determinant of identity matrix is 1. So, we can write A determinant into A determinant is equal to 1. That is, value of this will be 1 into 1 equal to 1, or minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So, value is plus or minus 1. Next is orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal is defined as A transpose into A is equal to I. That is, determinant of A transpose into A is equal to determinant of identity matrix. Similarly, in this way we can define 1 into 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, because we know that from this property that value of A transpose and A is same. Idempotent matrix, A square is equal to A. That is, determinant of A square is equal to determinant of A. We can simply write it as determinant of A into determinant of A is equal to 0. So, 0 into 0 is equal to 0 and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. For all the remaining values, you will not get the same value here. So, the value is either 0 or 1. And the last one, nilpotent. Nilpotent matrix, we know that it is defined as A raised to m is equal to 0, where m is the index. So, determinant of A raised to m is equal to determinant of null matrix. Value of any null matrix determinant is 0. So, if we write A square is equal to 0, so 0 into 0 only gives us 0. So, the value is 0. These four are very important. Please note it. If you have any doubt or suggestions, please write in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Guys, help us to help you. So please like, share and subscribe my video. For more details, you can refer these videos. Thank you.